Welcome to English Quiz Central. Reading practice. 1,000-word essay on my family. Family is the most important part of my life. It is the foundation of our society and the first school where we learn values, manners, and love. My family is small but very close-knit. We share a strong bond that brings us together through thick and thin. In this essay, I will describe my family members, our daily life, traditions, and the love and support that make my family so special. I live with my parents, my younger sister, and our pet dog. Each member of my family has unique qualities that make them special. My father is a hard-working man who is both caring and disciplined. He works as an engineer, and despite his busy schedule, he always finds time for us. He teaches me about responsibility, the importance of education, and how to face challenges in life. I admire his determination and the way he handles difficult situations calmly. My mother is the heart of our family. She is loving, kind, and very understanding. She takes care of the household and ensures that we are happy and healthy. My mother is also a great cook, and her meals bring warmth and comfort to our home. She often shares stories from her childhood, teaching us about our family history and culture. My younger sister is full of energy and curiosity. She is 8 years younger than me, but we share a very strong bond. I enjoy spending time with her, helping her with her homework and playing games. She has a cheerful personality that brightens our home, and her laughter is contagious. We support each other in every situation, whether it is schoolwork, hobbies, or personal challenges. Our parents encourage us to develop our talents and pursue our dreams. Family is not just about living together. It is about sharing love, care, and support. In my family, we have a strong culture of togetherness. Every morning, we sit together for breakfast, talk about our plans for the day, and share our thoughts. This daily ritual strengthens our bond and creates a sense of belonging. In the evenings, we often gather in the living room to watch TV, play board games, or simply talk about our day. These moments create memories that I will cherish forever. We also celebrate festivals and special occasions together. Birthdays, anniversaries, and traditional festivals are always memorable in our home. During these celebrations, we decorate the house, prepare delicious meals, and invite relatives and friends. These occasions teach me the importance of family traditions and the joy of sharing happiness with loved ones. Our parents always remind us that family is our first support system and that we should value and respect each other. Apart from love and support, my family teaches me important values. My parents emphasize honesty, kindness, respect, and responsibility. They lead by example, showing us how to treat others with compassion and integrity. I've learned to be patient, helpful, and understanding through observing their behavior. Whenever I face difficulties, my family stands by me and guides me through the challenges. This sense of security gives me confidence and strength to achieve my goals. Education is highly valued in my family. My parents encourage me and my sister to study hard and pursue our dreams. They help us with our homework, provide guidance, and motivate us to do our best. They believe that knowledge and learning are essential for success in life. In addition, they encourage us to explore hobbies and develop our interests. For example, my father often teaches me about science and technology, while my mother supports my interest in music and reading. Our family also believes in helping others and contributing to society. We participate in community activities, charity events, and social programs. My parents teach us that sharing with others and being compassionate is an important part of life. Through these activities, I have learned to be grateful for what I have and to help those in need. These experiences strengthen our family bond and create a sense of purpose beyond our home. One of the most special aspects of my family is the unconditional love we share. No matter what happens, we support each other and face challenges together. Whenever I feel sad or stressed, I can rely on my parents and sister for comfort. We communicate openly and solve problems together. This emotional support is invaluable and has helped me develop confidence and resilience. In conclusion, my family is my greatest treasure. It is a source of love, guidance, and happiness. Each member of my family contributes to making our home a warm and nurturing place. From my father's wisdom and hard work to my mother's love and care, from my sister's cheerful spirit to our shared traditions and values, my family shapes who I am and who I aspire to be. I am proud of my family and grateful for their presence in my life. A strong family is the foundation of a happy and successful life, and I feel blessed to be part of such a loving and supportive family. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.